guys! So the other day I was saying that I've completed the 90 days challenge for Soy Green, and today I'd like to share with you my journey for Soy Green, because to me it's not a 90 days challenge, it's actually a daily routine that I truly love, that I truly enjoy. The reason being, first of all, look at it, these sachets of Soy Green, it has wholesome soy, it has 10 plus types of fruits and vegetables that I need for my daily nutrients consumption, and it's so convenient to bring around. Sometimes when I'm rushing to work and I don't want to jeopardize my breakfast, I'll happily take it as my breakfast replacement. It tastes so good because it has this coffee fragrance that, you know, like once I pat it off, before pouring out, I already can smell the coffee fragrance. Like sometimes when I have it in the office, my colleagues would ask me what coffee you are taking, but in fact I'm not taking coffee. It's actually wholesome vegetables and fruits. The vegetables and all, you can see it's still biji run. Even though it looks greener, but actually it tastes super good. It's not like the Cao Tang vegetables drinks that you usually see in the market, but super amazing. So I prepared a fancy cup. I don't drink alcohol usually, but this fancy cup, I just find it super pretty to put in the cabinet behind. Okay, let me explain further here when I usually take Soy Green. So you see I'm wearing this sport attire at home because I try to work out every day. Best lah, yeah? Some simple yogas, HIIT, or playing badminton games. So after my workouts, I'll make sure I take wholesome soy as either a meal replacement or simply some additional nutrients into my meal. As we mentioned about workouts, what does burning calories mean? Burning calories means that we are still alive. In order to have our heart pumping, to have our body breathing, and to have our cells getting renewable each and every single second, we need to burn calories. Which is why a young fellow friend could burn more calories and not gaining weight easily, even after taking 2 big bowls of white rice. But as we age, we could only take 1 bowl or even lesser of white rice. That's because as we age, the metabolism would start to slow down gradually. Another example, a young girl can have her skin regenerated every 28 days. At the age of 50, it requires double of the times to get the cells regenerated. Hence why burning lesser calories as we age. So nutrition scientists found out that a young female who doesn't perform heavy duty work would require 2,000 calories to maintain her current figures. So above that, we can start to gain weight, and below that, we will start to lose weight depending on the activity level each day. Oh yes, Soy Green has wholesome soy and 10 plus types of fruits and vegetables, a great source of fiber for digestion and fitness purpose. I'm a vegetarian, so the best source of protein that I found thus far would definitely be wholesome soy, because it doesn't contain any animals' hormones, and it has plenty of nutritional values such as antioxidant, phytochemicals, and low purine level, so we wouldn't get into gout easily. And my family and friends actually told me that taking Soy Green helped them to solve long accumulated constipation problem. So let me walk you through my preparation steps for Soy Green. I have already teared it off. You can see a tear off label here, and pour out the greens and vegetables. It tastes super good. Then I'll pour some lukewarm water. I'm not using hot water because I don't want to spoil the nutrient, and lukewarm water is just nice for me for my breakfast routine. So, okay. Actually, usually I would use a bigger bowl or glass for my Soy Green, but today I'm just gonna use this one because it's easier. It's a bit pekat, so I'll just add a bit more water. Usually you can use the office cup. It's like drinking coffee, basically. The mouth of the cup is so big that you can see the properties very clearly. I love it because it has wholesome soy, 10 plus types of vegetables and fruits that are freshly grind and packed into this sachet. So I like sachet form because there's no contaminations in airborne bacteria or whatsoever. Entering Nirvana. So good. It's actually painful to watch myself not taking good care of my body, and as time passes, it's becoming more and more obvious that sickness can happen and aging can happen to our appearances as well. So as always, I am an advocate for well aging, and let's pick up beauty and health in a natural way. I'm Anna Kwan. Thank you for watching.
如果你有关于素食的想法，欢迎在留言分享。如果你有喜欢素食的朋友，也欢迎分享影片。我是你的素食朋友 Anna Kwan。